Hello, Classroom 6. I hope everybody is doing well today. We are just marching on with the season. You know what I just noticed? I didn't change this. April is done. Let me grab it. Hang on a second. Zoop. April's done. We talked about that. We're starting this new month. What comes after April? That would be May. Did you just say May? I hope so. You could always sing the song to figure it out, remember? So we started May. The last day we were here was the last day of April. So May started on Saturday, and May is a really long month. So I put the number 1, which was Saturday, way over here, way up on top, so that we have enough room on our calendar. Because you can see there's lots of stuff going on. So we had 1, 2 while we were home. What comes next? There's a number 3. We have 3 different things. Did you see? A sun, a blue or green kite, and a pink kite. I wonder what tomorrow is. And then Wednesday Cinco de Mayo. It's a Mexican holiday. It really is the 5th of May. So we'll talk about that when it gets a little closer. Next week, Sunday, Mother's Day. Very important day. We got to make sure we take care of our moms. And then we have a whole bunch of school. When we get down to the bottom, we have a nice long 4-day weekend coming up for Memorial Day. That's a ways away yet too. We're way up here on Monday, May 3rd, 2021. We are cranking right along. So we're starting a new letter today. We finished V last week. Do you remember what comes next? What comes after V? Did you say W? W, ready? We start way up at the top and you go, it's kind of neat. You go down, up, W says W. The lowercase w is just a littler one. Down, up, down, up. So our color this week is not blue. What color is the board I'm writing on? It's white. White starts with letter W. That's a little tricky because I can't write with white on the board. What would happen? What would happen? Did you hear all those W's? There's a day of the week that starts with W. Do you see it? Do you know it? There it is. Wednesday. And then I started thinking about all the words that I know that start with W. There's so many. I wore my whale pants in case you can't see them. I also brought you super lot of books. How about worm, weather? That's a good one. Worms and weather. And wheels. Wheels is a great one. There's so many things that have wheels. Can you think of a few? And then, I love this story. We're going to read this later this week. Watermelon. This is called the watermelon seed. Super funny. Watermelon. I love watermelon. And the story I'm going to read you today is called The Wind Blew. And it gets very windy. We know that, right? So wind is our letter W. Are you ready? Let's read this together. The Wind Blew. Pat Hutchins is the author of this story. Let's see. The wind blew. Ooh, it's very windy. It took the umbrella from Mr. White and quickly turned it inside out. Oh no. Did that ever happen to you? It snatched the balloon from Priscilla and swept it up to join the umbrella. Uh-oh, it took the umbrella and the balloon. And not content, it took a hat, and still not satisfied with that, it's blowing everything away. It whipped a kite into the air and kept it spinning round up there. Look at all the things. It's blowing everything away. It grabbed a shirt left out to dry and tossed it upwards to the sky. Another thing. What else is it going to take? It plucked a hanky from a nose, and up and up and up it rose. A hanky. fancy tissue. Oh my goodness, it's taken all the stuff. It lifted the wig from Judge's head and didn't drop it back. Instead, a wig. It whirled the postman's letters up as if it hadn't done enough. Uh-oh. The letters went flying too. That's some crazy wind. It blew so hard it quickly stole a striped flag fluttering on a pole. Now it took the flag. It pulled new scarves from twins and tossed them into other things. It sent newspapers fluttering round, and then, tired of things it found, oh my goodness, do you see all the things blowing in the wind? That wind really did blow. It mixed them up and threw them down. Uh-oh. And blew away to sea. Do you see what it blew away? It's a sailboat. The end. And that story is called The Wind Blew. So wind is a very good W word. And then I was thinking what other W words I like so much. And I thought we would do something. Everybody likes this song. So I wore my whale pants. Do you know a song that goes along with whale? I bet you know this one. This one's everybody's favorite. Get your fish ready.
Slippery fish, sliding through the water. Slippery fish, go, go, go. Oh no, it's been eaten by a octopus, squiggling in the water. Octopus, go, go, go. Oh no, it's been eaten by a tuna fish, flashing through the water. Tuna fish, come, come, come. Oh no, it's been eaten by a
Get your hands up.
great white shark, lurking in the water. A great white shark, come, come, come. Oh no, it's been eaten by a
Here it comes.
humongous whale, spouting in the water. Humongous whale.
He's got a big mouth. Pardon me. Oh my goodness. That was a giant burp. That was very silly. At least he has manners. He said, pardon me. Well, friends, you guys have an awesome day. Check out the weather. It's not so great. And I will talk to you again